Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great. Welcome to Follow Him Sewing channel, crafts and cooking. I want to show you today how to make this very delicious peppermint crisp fridge tart. I came to learn this recipe in South Africa where I grew up. Now, the ingredients that we used there might be different from the ingredients that you will find in your country, but you have to find it. Look for an alternative ingredient. Now, we use Tennis Biscuit in South Africa, but as you can see, I'm using this it's called Nice Biscuit. It's a thin biscuit. It mustn't be too hard. Okay, you will need to have some caramel, condensed milk caramel. In the olden days, the people would boil it, but be very careful if you are going to boil your caramel. Go to a video and find exactly how to cook it, but be very careful. When it's hot, don't use it, it needs to cool down before you open it. Then ordinary cream and a bowl, and of course the peppermint chocolate. Now, if you want to have a lot of chocolate in, you can use 2, but for today I will try 1. You will need something to beat, to whisk the caramel, and electric beater if you want to use it. Otherwise you can just use a hand whisk. A hand egg beater. So you decide what's comfortable for you. This is warm water. Depending how soft your biscuit is, will depend how long you will put it into the water. So depending on what kind of chocolate you have, you will have leftover, but these ones are actually from South Africa. But you can buy the Aero peppermint chocolate, and then that's a big one. You can just use the leftovers just to decorate now the top. Leave it in the fridge for about 3 to 5 hours, depending on how soft your biscuit is. And some people will even like it when the biscuit is crunchy, but it's better to have it soft. So, if you want to test it, if the biscuit is nice and soft, you can just use a kebab stick, and then you can know if it's nice and soft the way you like it. I like to drink a cup of tea. I like to drink lemon tea or any other type of warm tea with my sweet treats. So really try this recipe and be good, and until I see you again, stay blessed. Bye.